Radhika from Healthcare Committee at TAPMI. So, me joining Healthcare Committee was a decision which was taken when I saw my seniors standing on the podium, and there was only not one convener or leader, all of them were leaders and competent to run this committee. Now, what Healthcare Committee primarily does is that it tries to bridge on the gap between what we learn in-house and how the industry works. And for the same, we have conducted many events throughout. So we have conference, we run conclaves, many of the GLs, and we have a mix of industry experts as well as entrepreneurs coming in and pitching us on how to go about the industry. One of the major exciting thing which I learned in my committee was how to be creative, because when I joined into the committee I didn't know how to go about the creative aspect of any designing. So I tried making posters, I tried making videos, and that is how I learned something which was totally different to my domain. Beyond that, we also conduct some business plan, and we give a platform to new budding entrepreneurs to come and tell about the business plan, and we try to fund them so that they go on beyond and does the same work with full vigor that they want to. Also being set up in an ecosystem where Kasturba Medical College is there and we have a lot of healthcare facilities, we have an edge over other B schools in this matter, where we go visit the hospitals, see how they work, many of the biotechnology industries as well. One of the personality development scenario which I had in my committee was how to work as a leader, because being a leader is much more than just giving orders, it is how you work along with your committee. So in the same way, I got many creative aspects on how to work with committee, to think out of the box on how to drive a certain way. We have had many experiences in our committee, and one of them was when the conclave which were there, we had about 33 guests coming down from various industries like Apollo Munich, IBM Healthcare. So one of the guests actually asked us to conduct a guest lecture which was very impromptu. So it was a difficult aspect for us to how to come up with the administrative side, how to call students, but at the end we actually worked upon that. So being in this committee, not only what I've learned is my academic growth, learning about the industry, but also to how to work as a leader, because prominently that is what we'll be doing when we'll move out of TAPMI. So this committee has helped me a lot in this certain scenario.